unboxing of fried steamers.
Yeah, the steamers from our place. So we got the pan last time, so now this is the steamer set.
Yeah.
It took we ordered back in Thanksgiving. So it took like 2-3 months to get here. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember this. So this is, I cut here, but that's still not good enough. You have to pull this tab to open it. So they really pack this box really tight to make sure. Okay, why don't you try pulling that last part? So this is the part that's a pain. It's like a security feature that they have. Okay, now I think you can open it. Okay, so I finally was able to open this. And here we go. This is what's on the inside. We got this biodegradable bag with liners for the steamer. There's some chopsticks here, I believe. Right? I think there's some chopsticks. Oh, look, so, yep, those are chopsticks. Wait, literally, no, there should be 2 of them. Okay, so there's chopsticks. All right, so now here is the steamer itself. Let's see, I got another sponge here. Here's a sponge. Here's the usual. It says our place. And then here are the steamers. It's actually really big. Here's one. I thought it was only going to be 1 steamer basket, but it turns out there's 2. Wow, look at that. So let's see. This one says our place. So here are the bamboo steamer baskets. Okay, so here is my our place pan. Here's the lid. There's the metal steamer that's over here. Let me see if I can turn on some lights here. Okay, so this is the metal steamer, and then here's the bamboo one. So you can tell the bamboo ones are so big, the metal steamer can actually go inside of it. And actually add water here, add the metal steamer on top, add the bamboo steamer like that, and then add the second layer just like that. And then let's get the pan lid, and then the lid closes, so it's exact. So this is amazing because now I get to steam 3 layers of food. Now I actually did buy another box because I thought it was only 1 bamboo basket in each box instead of 2. So I technically have 2 more that I can use to add to this. But of course, I'm going to do 2 more. I'm going to need to add more water so there's enough steam to go all the way to the top. And this is pretty cool. I probably will keep these 2 to the side as spares in case the other ones deteriorate over time, because as you can tell, parts of it is already it's not in perfect condition. It is bamboo, so every piece is going to be slightly different. Let me take a look at this one. Yeah, so this is real bamboo, so there are pieces that will fall off through time because it is bamboo. Oh, there's even a little hole here. Okay. Overall, I think it's pretty good. It definitely adds to the utility of this pan. And I like the fact that it is bamboo because it's antimicrobial and it's a very safe wood to use when cooking.
Bye everyone, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments down below if you got this bamboo steamer.
Yeah, if you think the bamboo steamer is a good addition to the Our Place pan and whether you think you would be getting it.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.